Hello, this is my flowchart, lucid chart presentation. I did the organization of living matter, which is something that we do, one of the fundamental aspects of anatomy and physiology you have to understand before you actually get into the meat and potatoes of anatomy and physiology. So here I have the cell to the tissue, to the organ system, to the organism. Now, this is a pretty basic flowchart. I'm going to look into actually doing more with these flowcharts because I love flowcharts and I used to use them even before we had computers here at Northwest. I'm going to see if I can put some really cool pictures in here and do some different stuff and kind of play around with it a little bit. But this is just the basic model for the organization of living matter, which is, like, again, something we talk about in the introduction to our anatomy and physiology in the first term.